And our bite of the week comes from head coach of St. George's College, Clifford Brown. He was elated that his players maintained composure in the second semi-final of the ISSA Under-19 Basketball Championship basketball match against Jamaica College. Here's our bite of the week.
Well, the fourth quarter we were leading, so we just wanted to execute and continue to lead. We also know that JC will be throwing maybe them father, them brother, them sister, and the kitchen sink at us. So we were coming for that. So we know it was a dog fight at the end. And you know, the better dog won.